Mr. Parija will want to begin.
Am I audible, my lord?
Yes, yes.
My lord, Honorable the Chief Justice, my lords companion judges, members of the registry, the Assistant Solicitor General of India, Sri Prasanna Kumar Padi, the President, Secretary, Vice President, High Court Bar Association, respected senior members of the bar, and my junior colleagues. We have quite tragically lost two of our esteemed colleagues. It is both our duty and our privilege to remember them and bid them goodbye. On this somber occasion, we express our heartfelt condolence at the sad demise of our friends, late SURYAKANTA Sanganeria and late BENUDHAR SAHOO, advocates of the High Court Bar Association. Late SURYAKANTA Sanganeria, advocate, was born on 24th of March 1951 at Nayasada, Cuttack. He completed his schooling at Marodi High School, Cuttack. Thereafter, he completed his higher education from Revencha College, Cuttack. He obtained his law degree from Madhusudan Law College, Cuttack, and thereafter enrolled himself as an advocate in the Odisha State Bar Council in the year 1977. He began his practice under eminent senior advocate late Prabir Palit. On the basis of his hard work and talent, he established a vibrant practice in arbitration, constitutional, and commercial matters in this honorable court and subordinate courts of the state. He was a person of impeccable character, very kind-hearted, who devoted his time to social activism, playing an important role in municipality of social organization in the state of Odisha. Most notably, he was the president of Balubazar Puja Committee, vice president of the Cuttack Mahanagar Shanti Committee, and was the founder president of Utkala Pradeshika Marwadi Sammelan. He tragically breathed his last on the second day of May 2022 at the age of 72 years. His death is an irreparable loss to the entire family, friends, relatives, colleagues, well-wishers, and the locals at large. Late BENUDHAR SAHOO, advocate, was born on 20th of April 1947 at Shamaria, Patna in the district of Puri. He completed his graduation from University Evening College, Bhubaneswar in the year 1970 and thereafter obtained law degree from MS Law College, Cuttack in the year 1973. He enrolled himself as an advocate in the Odisha State Bar Council in the year 2004. He was the practitioner before this honorable court and trial courts at Cuttack and Bhubaneswar. He breathed his last on 5th of April 2022 after battling a prolonged illness. My heart goes out to his wife and 3 daughters, and I pray that God gives them strength to preserve through this difficult time. Their deaths are an irreparable loss to the bar and to this institution. Let us remember them, mourn them, and cherish their memories. May the departed souls rest in peace.
Mr. Padi. Mr. Padi, you will have to unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Respected Chief Justice and company judges, Lord Advocate General of the state, as well as the Registry of the Bar, Registry of the High Court, Lord President and Secretary, all the office bearers of the High Court Bar Association. Lord, both the members has been expired, and for them we are assembled here for condolence. We express my heartfelt condolence. Their family are taken rest in peace, and we will be pray to the Lord Jagannath that He will bless them with the family once this village.
My esteemed colleagues of the bench, Mr. Ashok Kumar Parija, the Learned Advocate General, Sri Prasanna Kumar Padi, Learned Assistant Solicitor General, Government of India, Learned Senior Advocates, members of the legal fraternity, members of the registry, ladies and gentlemen. My colleagues and I share the sentiments expressed by the Learned Advocate General and Sri Prasanna Kumar Padi. It is with a deep sense of sadness that we assemble here to offer condolences on the sad demise of 2 learned members of the bar, Sri SURYAKANTA Sanganeria, an eminent senior member of the bar who breathed his last on 2nd May 2022, and Sri BENUDHAR SAHOO, another senior member of the bar who breathed his last on 5th April 2022. The life sketch of Sri Sanganeria depicts that he was born on 24th March 1951 here in Cuttack, where he obtained his law degree from the Madhusudan Law College. He enrolled as an advocate of this court in 1977. He commenced his practice under the able guidance of Sri Prabir Palit, one of the renowned senior advocates of this court. He had an extensive good practice and knowledge in civil, commercial, and several other branches of law, including arbitration cases. In fact, even before me, till a few months ago, Sri Sanganeria was a constant fixture when I took up arbitration matters. I have been told that besides the legal profession, Sri Sanganeria was associated with many social organizations in the state, and he was a social activist himself. He was also vice president of the Cuttack Mahanagar Shanti Committee. His son, Mr. Anirudh Sanganeria, is an advocate on record practicing at the Supreme Court of India. The life sketch of Sri BENUDHAR SAHOO depicts that he was born on 20th April 1947 in the district of Puri. He obtained his law degree from Madhusudan Law College, Cuttack, in the year 1973. However, he enrolled as an advocate in the year 2004. He was practicing mainly in civil, criminal, and writ matters before this court and the district courts. I'm told that these two members of the bar were sober, soft-spoken, amiable in nature, and gentlemen par excellence. The death of these two lawyers of this bar has created a great vacuum in the legal fraternity, and it is an irreparable loss to their families, friends, colleagues, and relatives. With a heavy heart, on behalf of my sister and brother judges, and on my own behalf, I express our heartfelt condolences to the families of Sri SURYAKANTA Sanganeria and Sri BENUDHAR SAHOO, and pray that their departed souls rest in peace. We also pray for strength and courage to the members of the bereaved families to bear the irreparable loss. As a mark of respect to the departed souls, let us observe 2 minutes silence by standing. The court work will remain suspended for the rest of the day.